Good morning, guys. Welcome to Cali Life. Early in the morning. I hope you guys can see the waves. It's really dark out this morning. Much love, guys. Protect your peace. Stay strong. Love you all so much. May God bless us all. I hope you guys can see the waves. It's so dark. Taking a nice little walk this morning. Feels so good being out here with the love of my life, the ocean. God, it's so dark. I wish you guys could see this right now. I hope it comes out clear, the video. Oh, it's so peaceful out here. God, I love Cali. Jesus. God, my beautiful ocean. Well, I'll let you guys go so I can concentrate on my piece. Much love. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to smile. Love you guys. Peace out. Bye, guys.